Ethiopia on Monday inaugurated a Chinese-built major road project in the capital city Addis Ababa. The Alexander Pushkin Square Gotera Interchange Road, a 3.8-kilometer road incorporating 3 segments and a 2-lane 320-meter tunnel, was contracted by China First Highway Engineering Company Limited. At the inauguration ceremony, Adanek Abibi, Addis Ababa city mayor, thanked the Chinese side for their support in building the project, which will tremendously improve traffic flow in the city.
በከተማችን የመንገድ ግንባታ ታሪክ ለመጀመሪያ ጊዜ የተገነባው ረጅም የመኪና መተላለፊያ ዋሻ ተሻጋሪ ድልድይ ተደምረውበት የቄራን ትራፊክ መጨናነቅ ታሪክ አድርገውታል ማለት ይቻላል። የፕሮጀክቱን ወጪ የሸፈነው የኢትዮጵያ የረጅም ዘመን ወዳጅ ሀገር የቻይና መንግስትን ከልብ በራሴና በከተማው አስተዳደር ስም ላመሰግን እወዳለሁ።
Shen Qinman, charge d'affaires of the Chinese embassy in Ethiopia, on his part said the project is a symbol of cooperation and friendship between China and Ethiopia.
China, as a developing country, fully understands the needs and aspirations of Ethiopia people and government. We know how important roads or infrastructures are for the coming true of national dreams and economic development as well.